Hello, hello. It's Saturday. Hope your weekend's going awesome. We're back here. Daughter mechanic is helping out by disorganizing all of the parts that Mama put in sequence. We're doing two things. One, our radiator cracked, right? But you have to replace the radiator core when you're done, or while you're doing it, or it's pretty much going to blow up and here you go. Also, it's just all the junk and stuff goes through the radiator core, which is behind the dashboard, for use with your heater, and it has all the junk in it. So if you get a brand new radiator, but you don't replace your heater core, all the junk that got caught in the core is going to go right back into your radiator. So we're trying to do all of it at one time. Hang on, sweetie. Supposedly it's one of the hottest days of the year right now, and we're choosing to do the workout in the sun, of course. Luckily, we got the shade cloth draped over the interior, and this is now in the shade. We've got the radiator out and is good to go. We just need to come back in and clean stuff up while we can, inspect all the radiator hoses and anything else like that that may need repair while we're here. But this is pretty much the latter half of the radiator change. Normally, I guess, if this would have happened in maybe fall or spring, I would do a total walkthrough, but it's too hot. So you're just going to see everything in disarray, and then it'll be magically fixed later. Here's a brand new shiny one. Old one is now on the ground. Want to grab that, Bia? Thank you. Well, I personally fell asleep from pretty much all afternoon. Man, this heat's crazy. Bianca, a little more resilient than I. We're back at it. It's about 6 something. The entire dash is finally off. We can access this box right here. And I don't want to put the dash back in. Bianca says we have to, though. Please.
Yep. Nope.
Please.
Needs to look nice.
Okay. Yeah, so this giant box, it looks like it could hold a chainsaw, pretty much. It has the evaporative box for the air conditioner, and it has the heater core, which is why we're here. Uh-oh, this may be a problem. Hi! You're totally ready to drive this thing, aren't you? You don't need to blow on the key. It ain't that bad. See? It works! I see it though, Bia. I saw the heater core for a second.
Yeah. It's right there.
You can do it.
Oh yeah, I will.
I will get this thing.
Hold on this thing.
I see everything. It's hours and hours just to get to this freaking box.
I don't remember which side of the hose of the connector he pulled on this side.
Oh, I see that little vacuum tube.
Yeah.
It looks like you just, babe, you don't pull it up, it just goes vertically. It's like a U shape, and you just grab this and pull it up. See?
Oh, okay. He actually unplugged it on this video.
Oh, no, you don't need to. Wait, did I just do something that a master mechanic didn't do?
Yep. Okay.
Okay, now we're checking the heat exchange door. It's Bianca getting frustrated, rare sight.
Well,
There you go.
flies, yeah.
Okay, so that's just the shield. How's that pin on the bottom? Straight up. Let's see the end of it.
It's just fine.
Yay, it's not cracked. Woohoo, we don't need to get another part. That's good, that's good. Okay, so do we see any leaky stuffs anywhere?
Yep.
Where?
Oh no, it's just dirt.
That's what I was looking at too, all the dirt in the corner. We'll know when we pull it out. Alright, to the engine compartment.
Yep, need to take those two.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Alright, so now those two shiny metal hoses need to be removed so we can take off the heater core. It looks like on our version they're updated and I just have to reach in and get those plastic clips off. It's a good thing I didn't pull those lines, or so there's actually the high pressure AC lines. Bianca was sitting here arguing with me like, no, we replaced it, remember? Yeah, I know, I forgot. How's it going in there? Does the camera help you see?
No, not at all.
No, that's just the picture of you. You have to actually put it on yourself. Hey, Hey, don't put on my phone. You're silly. No, just put on yourself. Chapstick goes on your lips. Remember that? No, not your camera lip. Huh. See ya.
Okay, so here's another adventure on this truck. To take the heater core out of those two things, that came with this really annoying connector. That comes with that requires a special tool to take it out. And then I finally found that you could take it out with some 90-degree needle nose pliers, but I also don't have those. So then I finally found a way to take it out with your fingers, and while I was doing that, the hose totally broke in the same place that the other one had broken before. So let me pull it out and you can see it. Like back. So there's supposed to be a connector at the end of that metal crimped. So I'm just gonna do the same thing that we did with this hose, which is put just one of those easy clamps around it. I'm just gonna cut that tip off, but I don't need to get rid of whatever's left over there because it's just gonna go with the old heater core. And it's also nice that the one on the right won't be bent anymore. So inside the truck we go. And here you go, the broken connector and the bent other port. And this thing is totally off. Back there it was already ripping, so I made a little incision to fit it, so it will go back together once we put it through the hole. Shiny new heater core installed, passed through the fire thing. You can barely see the little slit that I had to put in there. And I don't have a vacuum at hand to clean this mess up, but I don't know. I still haven't put everything back together, so I might still clean it.
Okay, it's almost 10 o'clock, I think, and it is definitely time for us to stop working on this. We're trying to just stop for dinner and then get back to it, but I give it like a 20% chance that we're going to continue working after this. So, Have a good evening.